Uh, so we have gold sponsor New Age is going to talk about how do you suppress the fire in an electrical distribution panel. So they had a stall. I think they had displayed that electrical distribution panel fire suppression. I would like my friend to just do the small presentation about the solution that you guys have to suppress the fire.
Yeah. So where is the presentation?
Yeah, it's ready. Yeah. The changes, slide changes, please.
So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dinesh from New Age Fire Protection Industries. We are into this field from last 60 years. We are manufacturer of fire protection equipments and systems. But today we are going to talk only on the transformers, which is an electrical asset, and how we are going to protect these transformers. So there are two systems we are talking on. One is when transformer get on fire, how we can extinguish with a smart solution. And one thing is that how we can restrict that stage where transformer is getting on fire. So it's a power of mist. Just now he has said that water is scarce resource, and we have this smart solution. It's a droplet of air and water coming together. And just to tell you one example is that 1 liter of water is actually a ball of 12 centimeter. But when you break this ball of water into 100 micron small particles, it will be around 19 billion particles, and it can cover the area of 60 meters square. So this air and water particle, they can absorb the heat very fast. That is it will give the cooling effect, number one. Number two, it will be displacing the oxygen from that place. So as you know that if oxygen get displaced below 15%, in air it is around 18 to 20%, fire will extinguish. So that is the second function it does, and actually it suppresses the fire. So it is controlling, it is suppression, and it is also going to be extinguishing the fire. This is covered under rule NFPS 750. In IS it is covered under IS 15519, and these water mist systems are coming in basically two types. One is below 12 bar pressure, and another is coming above 30 bar pressure. So low pressure and high pressure. I am not taken in between the middle, that is medium pressure water mist systems. These, as per NFPS 750, water mist solutions can be applicable for class A solids, class B liquids, electrical fires, circuit breakers, data centers. One of the most India's biggest data center is covered by low pressure water mist in the country, and there are a lot of data centers which are coming up which will be definitely using this technology. So these solutions can be very effectively used in data centers. They can be used in the transformers. So I just wanted to just play this video. This is a real video of BEST site in Mumbai. We have done around 15 jobs for transformer protection through water mist. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the power of mist. It can be used in many applications. Somebody was talking to just now about hospitals. We are having sprinkler systems. In a sprinkler system with a 7 bar of pressure, all assets will get damaged first. It will also harmful for the patient who is sitting there, and huge amount of water is getting to be poured from the top. So water mist technology, I think first hospital in Gujarat which is done with water mist solution, water mist nozzles. I will show you those nozzles also. Tunnels, many tunnels are coming out with water mist. Libraries, car parking areas, or retail malls. This system is basically on three types. One is the pressurized line system. Very simple to use this in case of transformer protection, because we have plant where we have got hydrant line which is there, red color pipeline you can see, 7 bar pressure is there, and you can definitely use this pressure to get the mist from the nozzle. Second is cylinder based system. If you have got a small room, cylinder will be filled with water, it will be pressurized with the nitrogen, and that pressurized water can be used in the nozzles to get the mist. Third is, if we don't have both, then we can use the pressurized system with a pump and the piping and the nozzles, which can operate this system at around 15 bar. So we are using the cylinders, very standard cylinders, no like PESO approved cylinder which will be required in this case actually. Pressurized system, any pump in the our hospitals or in the plant can be used. These kind of nozzles are there which gives the mist. It is not in a sprinkler you will see only one hole which is of 3/4 inch. Huge amount of water is going to get. Here there are multiple nozzles, and we can have even the bulb also. You can see here there is a bulb also wherein this bulb will get burst and you will get a mist for the fire extinguishing purpose. We have got some other accessories, solenoid valves. Conventionally we are using high velocity medium spray system, HVW system, which is just pouring a water on a transformer. Okay. So when it gets on fire, this system which we can actually only consume 20% of water, first thing, no harmful for any of electrical any of the person, and it can be used for the transformers, and this can be used with the existing pipeline. Very simple to use, no much of a technology. There is a technology only in case of nozzles. This is the second solution to reach the transformer, not to go to that stage where it will take the fire. So these transformers all are having oil transformers as per IE 2003 notification clause number 64, where any transformer above 10 MVA capacity or 1200 liters of oil will mandatory to use nitrogen purging system. The thing is that nitrogen is putting it from the drain side inside the transformer, and when transformer oil gets heated, this nitrogen, it's a cool when it comes in at atmospheric pressure, and it will cool that oil. So that is how this transformer will be saved to go into the catastrophic failure to take on the fire. So this is all about me from my side, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, listening to me patiently. Thank you.